Tomorrow's the big visit. Oh no, practice starts any minute now. I can't find my team shirt. What do I do? Coach won't let me join without it. Only magic can save me now.
Did someone say magic?
Oh, Mr. Wizard, you're just in time. Can you help me find my shirt?
Of course, I'm a mighty wizard. Now I shall say the magic words. Chick-pick, chick-picnic, mick-nick, chips and bread, magic ahead. Something's not working. Maybe if we try over here. Chick-pick, chick-picnic, mick-mick, chocolate and caramel, that's the magic spell. One more try, this time backwards. Chicky-chocky, picnic-mick, chips in bread, do the trick.
A sock? That's not my shirt.
Well, looks like there's no other choice. You'll have to pick up a few things around here. First, ball and toys straight into the closet right now. Next, clothes, shoes, blocks, backpack, books, everything in its place. Perfect. Now, one last try. Chick-pick, chick-picnic, mick-nick, chips and bread, magic ahead.
Yes, that's my practice shirt. Thank you so much, Mr. Wizard. Thank you for the magic.
Sweet child, clever boy. That wasn't my magic. That was yours.
My magic? Now I get it. I thought having a mess was no big deal. But this mess wastes so much time, and many toys get lost or broken too. Now I can gladly invite friends over. It was kind of embarrassing to have them see my messy room. I think tomorrow I'll tidy my desk at school. Actually make magic. I understand now it's not just helping me, it also helps my friends feel comfortable too.
Exactly. True magic is that which helps you, your friends, your sisters, your brothers, your family, your whole world. Clean and tidy, that's very social.
Clean too?
Of course. But why should I talk? Let's listen.
One breakfast moment, oops, a cocoa stain on the sweater.
Chocolate smears, crumb parade.
Trousers couldn't get much better. It's not neat, it's not clean, it's definitely not social.
Tidy, tidy, clean yourself after your meal. Wash your hands and face for real. If your shirt gets messy, that's okay. Change it quick, don't let it stay. That way it's nice, that way it's clean, that way it's social. Tidy, 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 tidy. If your nose is sniffly or runny, oh my, grab a tissue, don't be shy.
Keep one in your pocket just in case,
So your nose won't chase friends from your face. That way it's neat, that way it's clean, that way it's social. Tidy, 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 tidy. When you're clean and tidy, you're very social. Joining friends is easy then. No one's turned off, no one walks away. I'm clean and